Welcome back to our channel Computer Masti with Ganga. Today in this video we are going to make one game. Yes, Pong Game in Scratch. So let's get started. Okay, so for this project we need few things. So first thing, a ball. I'm taking this ball. Then we need a paddle and one end line. Yes, you can see it from here. So you have to take this red line at the bottom. Then I am taking this paddle here, okay, in the center. Yes, and ball here. So first thing is we need to set the position of this ball. When green flag click, I am taking from this events block, then go to motion, and from here use this go to option. Okay, so if my ball is anywhere on the stage, if I click on this green flag, see the position of this ball. So yes, this is the starting point, we can say. Now after this we need to move this ball. So I am taking this green flag, go to motion and use move 10 steps. For moving automatically we need to take this 10 forever block, and for bouncing, yes, if one is bounce, done. First part is done, our ball is moving. Now next thing is for this paddle. So click on this paddle, go to events, use this green flag. Now you can see here we are moving our mouse position towards our left and right. Yes, left and right means we are using x-axis, but if we move up and down, that means we are using y-axis. As we know, we can divide this stage into two parts, x-axis and y-axis. So we are moving our paddle towards the left and right direction, that means we are using x-axis. Okay, so go to motion. From here we need to set this set x, because we are moving towards the x direction. Yes, so then go to sensing, and we are generally using this mouse for this game, so I am using here mouse. We can use arrow keys also to play this game, but here I am using mouse. Okay, done. So use forever for this block. Now see, when we click on the green flag, you can see both the things are moving. Now see, we need to move this ball up and down, and if this ball is touch this paddle, it will go back again. So for this we need to take one script, that is, see, if one condition is there. Yes, if this ball, okay, if this ball is touching, so go to this sensing block, from here take this, if touching this paddle, if this ball will touch the green paddle, okay, it will turn. Okay, or we can say we can use point in direction. Okay, we will change the direction of this ball. So for this we need to use go to operators and use this random position. Okay, and take this random position inside this script. See, now we need to change this. You can see here, if this ball will touch this paddle, then we need to take this towards this direction, or else we need to move towards this direction. Yes, left or right, upside. So either this direction or this one. Okay, so for this we need to change this parameters. So -72 plus 70 I am taking. Okay, now see, when we click on the green flag, see it is going up. Now my paddle is also moving. Now see, when this ball is touching this paddle, it is going towards the up direction. Okay, yes, you can see here. Done. Nice. Now next thing, yes, background. Change the background, make your project attractive. So I am taking this stars. Okay, then now next thing, that is score. Suppose this ball will touch this paddle, it will score 1 point. So for this we need to make a variable. So go to variables and using this make a variable. So here I am using score. Here I am typing score. So click on this OK button. Now you can see here score. Yes. Okay. Now for starting we need to make our score 0. Yeah, in the beginning we will make our score 0. Yes, so make your score 0. Okay, okay, but if this ball will touch this paddle, it will score 1 point. So for this, go to change your score. Yes, change your score, and just after touching the paddle, here you can see this paddle. Yes, this is this condition. So after this condition, take this score. So go to score. Yes, change your score by 1. Now see the difference. Yay. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you can see the score now. Okay, done. Now the next thing, suppose if we miss this paddle, okay, suppose if this ball will touch this red line, this is the end line, yeah, this is the stopping line. So we need to stop our program. So for this, the simple one, so go to line, go to this line, use this green flag. Now you take one condition, okay, and then you see if touching, if this line will touch the ball, okay, then we need to stop our program. Yes, stop all, and you need to give the chocolate, biggest chocolate, that is forever loop. Now see the difference. Yes, yeah, 1, 2. Now suppose if I am missing, yeah, see it is stopping the program. So this is the simple one. Please try this program. If you feel any difficulty to make this program, feel free to ask. You can share your views through the comments, through my email ID. So please, if you like this game, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.